Size 1.1 matrices. Order of matrix. Here matrix is E equal to 2 1 5 2 6 4 8 7 2. M equal to number of rows. Let M equal to number of rows. Here there are 3 rows, 1 2 3, and N equal to number of columns of A equal to 1 2 3. Order of E equal to M cross N 3 cross 3. Question number 1. Question number 2. Which of the following matrices are equal? For equal matrices, the two matrices have the same order and the corresponding entries of two matrices are equal. For equal matrices, the order of two matrices should be same and the corresponding entries of two matrices are equal. L is a matrix which is 1 6 7 minus 3. Order of L is 2 cross 2, which is equal to R. Matrix R is 2 minus 1, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 5, 1 minus 4 equal to 1 7 6 minus 3. You can see L and R have same corresponding entries, 1 6 7 minus 3, and also order of L and R is same. Order of R is also 2 rows and 2 columns, 2 cross 2. Therefore R equal to L. These twos are equal. You can see here is M. M is column matrix 4 7. Order of M is 2 rows 1 column, 2 cross 1, rows into columns, 2 rows 1 column, 2 cross 1, which is equal to Q. Q is a matrix 8 minus 4, 8 minus 1, which is equal to 4 7. You can see the corresponding entries of Q and M and Q are equal, 4 4 7 7. Order of Q is 2 cross 1, 2 rows 1 columns, M cross N. M is number of rows, N is number of column. Number of rows 2 and column 1 column. Therefore these two are equal, M equal to Q. Similarly, N equal to P, N equal to P. Here 2 plus 2 6, 2 plus 2 4, 6 4 6, 6 7 1, 7 4 6. These two matrices have same order, 3 rows and 3 columns, and corresponding entries are equal. P is equal to N, P equal to N. And which of the following matrices are not equal to A? Question number 3. Which of the following matrices are not equal to A? A is 6, 4, 6, 3, 2, 7. For equal matrices, the order should be same and the corresponding entry should be same. First of all, you check the order. Matrix B equal to 6, 7, 5, 3. Order of B is 2 rows, 2 columns, 2 by 2, 2 cross 2. But order of A, 3, 2 rows, 2 cross 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. Order of A is 2 rows, 2 cross 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. Therefore, they are not equal. A is not equal to B. C. You can see C and A are equal. A equal to C because order of A and C is same and the corresponding entries are same. 2 plus 4, 6, 9 minus 2, 7, and order of A is 2 cross 3 and order of D is 3 cross 2. A and D are not equal. A and D are not equal.